candlestick. You can see the date and time below. You can see this ash color candlestick that indicates yesterday's market price opening, which shows that the market opened around 447.8. What we expected yesterday was, as a continuous follower of our presentation and as a client, you know that we were heavily targeting this 452 zone. For a long time, we know that the price can move from this zone. As usual, we are good in identifying the key zone. So on the previous day, that was 23rd of October, since the price fell down and closed lower near the key support zone of 446, we expected that copper market can stay down unless until the price breaks 452. There is no chance for the copper to pull buyers. That was our expectation, having 446 as the support zone and then 442 as the next target zone. Now let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, you can see the price stayed here and it's trying to test. Yes, it got and tested the low, that was 446. That was the first target, and try to break this. We know that that is not you don't want much explanation about 446 because so many times, if you want, I can show you again how many times the market had taken this 446 as a great support, and then it gave a pullback towards 452. So that is what happened. You can see here the price broke 446 yesterday. Again, it tried to provide some support, but it's very unfortunate that the price could not clear the high that was created on the price opening. Then the market, you can see the market came and tested this 446 again and again. Now you can see why the price is testing this, because you know that if there is a major support in any market, it is not only in copper market or crude market, in any market, so it is like slowly breaking the support. What happened yesterday, the market slowly broke the support, so that puts the mind of the trader, that puts something, a clear message into the minds of the trader, saying that yeah, we can break 446 very easily. So that is what happened, a consolidation and a breaking all these 446. You can see the price even tried to create a new low near 444, but we know that this 442 is the next target zone, but you can see that it consolidated here and closed just above 446. So the important point which we want to make is the price closing. When we compare the price closing with the previous day's price closing, more or less it is going to be equal. So it is going to be equal, and if you compare the price opening, the expected price opening for today can be near the same zone where it closed yesterday, which shows that, because I want to make it clear, we are predicting the price opening based upon COMEX market price direction, and there may be some changes based on where rupee is going to stay. So if we compare the price opening, it is going to be more or less like where the price opened on the previous day. So everything is going to be same, but the only advantage we have is that yesterday the market tried to break this 446 very easily. So there is no change in our stance, which means that unless until the price breaks 452, clearly we cannot expect the market to move higher. So this is going to be a clear situation. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.